Hi student, in this lecture I will discuss three more advanced and important form of circle in complex plane, that is 1. If we have a circle with of unknown radius and center, but we know the extreme two point of the diameter, like let it is the diameter and this is the center, and we have the extreme two coordinate of the diameter is z1 and z2, then what will be the equation of the circle? And this is the complex plane obviously. So equation of circle with z1 and z2 as the extremities of diameter of the circle in complex plane is, and this will be the equation of the circle with the coordinate of extremities of diameter. Then the equation will be z minus z1 into z bar minus z2 bar plus z minus z2 into z bar minus z1 bar. z1 bar is equals to 0. Okay, so here z1 and z2 are the extremities of the diameter of the circle, and then we can easily find out the equation of the circle like z minus z1, one of the extremities of the diameter, into the conjugate of this point z minus conjugate of the another extremities plus z minus another point into conjugate of z minus conjugate of that point is equals to 0. Okay, this is a very important and very commonly used form of circle. So the second one is, if we have 2 point, okay, 2 fixed point in the plane, like take this point z1 and z2, okay, and if we can consider, or if you can take any other point in the complex plane as z, okay, and now join z1 and z and z2 to z, and if we get an angle alpha, and if the range of the alpha is nothing but alpha lies to 0 to alpha, okay, here z1 and z2 are fixed point and z is any arbitrary point in the complex plane, and this angle is alpha, okay, and this angle lies in the between 0 to pi, then z is lie on the arc of a circle, okay. So if we can write that, let z1 and z2 be two fixed complex number and z be any arbitrary number, obviously complex number, such that the angle between z the line z1 to z and z2 to z alpha, and we can write this in mathematically like argument, okay, by argument, like argument of z minus z1 by z minus z2 is equals to alpha, and alpha lies between 0 to pi, then z the point, arbitrary point on the complex plane Z lie or will be on the arc of the circle. Okay, so this point or this form is also important. Like if we are given any or you can take an example of this form, like example argument, we have a form equation like argument of z minus 2 plus 3i z minus I is equals to some, take any angle between 0 to pi is like 120 degree. Then what is the locus of z is? Then you can straightforwardly write the answer is z is nothing but an arc of a circle. And you can also find what is the equation of the circle, but for the first clarity it is obviously a circle, and that is very important. Okay, so what is the third important properties or form of the circle in complex plane? Like we have a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and we know what is the cyclic quadrilateral is. It is nothing but a quadrilateral which is inscribed in a circle like this fashion, and quadrilateral may be anything, circle, maybe rectangle, rhombus, anything. Okay, and the point, the coordinate of these four vertices is nothing but z1, z2, z3 and z4. Okay, and these points are such oriented that if we take z minus z1 and z2 into z2 minus z3, like this fashion, z4 minus z1 and z2 minus z3, or z3 minus z2, can also write that by this fashion, z2 minus z1 and z4 minus z3, z1 minus z2, z2 this one, z1 minus z2 and z4 minus z3 into z4 minus z3. Okay, so is the similar fashion, z4 minus z1 into z2 minus z3 or z3 minus z2, or divided by z1 minus z2 and z4 minus z3. And if we do this operation, multiplication and division, and if is found out, okay, this from must be found out, must be purely real if z1, z2, z3, z4, that is the this is a quadrilateral, and this, if we this operation, then this quadrilateral must be a cyclic quadrilateral, or if we have a cyclic quadrilateral like this way, okay, then the multiplication and division, the way I showing you, okay, like z4 minus z1 into z2 minus z3 and z1 minus z2 into z4 minus z3, and this is must be a real. Okay, so this is three important form of circle in complex plane. So thank you.